Hey you guys, welcome back to the Beach on Style channel. I'm so excited. I am currently in Los Angeles on Hollywood Boulevard at the Goodwill up here in LA, and I don't usually get to come up here, so I'm so excited to tackle this store. But you guys know I don't like being by myself all the time. I like to bring along friends, and today I have a really fun friend to introduce you to. So without further ado, hello, this is Steely.
Hi.
Steely, introduce yourself.
I am Steely Nash. I'm a musician from the Bay Area, makeup artist, stylist, ex-Crossroads buyer. Yeah.
Oh, like you used to
I don't think I told you
oh
that.
my gosh, so fun. Okay, at first I was like, oh, you're an ex-Crossroads, like you don't go anymore.
No,
You
I
just
go
used to be a
all the
buyer.
time. Yeah,
Okay.
I love it.
Cool. So Steely, you have to tell everybody why this
How this
collaboration,
happened.
and where, I mean, you're from the Bay Area, so you're here in LA.
Totally. I know.
It's
It's not every day that I would drive to LA for just a Goodwill. But this is me too.
Yay!
So I've been following you for like 2 years or something since
fun.
post baby number 2, I think.
Yes.
Fit and Fabulous. And I was
Woo!
like, this woman is my spirit animal. She wears all kinds of kimonos and robes and all kinds of awesome stuff. And that's kind of what I like to dress for my body in general. So I really related to that. But then, you know, recently you did a Instagram or YouTube live.
Yeah.
And there were some questions about, you know, hey girl,
Yeah.
that's good for you.
Right.
Like, I'm sure you can find lots of things, but what about, you know, other body types?
Right, totally.
So I just was like, you know what? I'm going to reach out. This is like something I know tons about, is finding those 12s, 14s, 16s, or even the oversized going into the XXLs. And I just felt like that's my specialty. So I shot her a DM with like a Bob Mackie like vintage piece that I had found, and I was like, girl, you need me.
Yeah. So she actually drove all the way from the Bay Area to come thrifting with me.
I did. I had a little dog with me, so I'm okay.
Okay, you had a little companion. So anyways, it was so much fun. We met through Instagram, the power of Instagram, so great. And we are now gonna thrift together, and we're gonna, of course, just be looking for really fun finds.
Yeah.
But then also just kind of chatting about like how you look for finds and different body types, and how you, I don't know, like what you like to look for, and
right, where I go first, where I find the most success for myself in a thrift environment.
Yeah, so we are so excited. We're excited to take you along, and I just can't wait to see what's in there.
Oh my god, me too.
So many treasures. Okay,
Pants.
here we go. My arm is getting so tired. Okay, you guys, we are here. We're inside the store. We're ready to go. Where do you like to start?
I start with skirts, pants. Always make my way to shoes. I definitely am a blazer girl like you.
Yeah.
Because of the waist, the shoulders. I mean, it just gives you the shape you need, and even the intimate section. I think you like that's
My
one
friend
of your
Molly.
things too. Yeah, I've always just gone there, and everyone's like, "What are you wearing?" And I'm like, "Oh my gosh, you guys! There's like an Armani slip right now."
Yes.
So anyway,
yes.
yeah,
Okay,
good
so
stuff in
let's
there.
start with like maybe pants and skirts.
Okay. Yeah,
Let's do
sounds
it.
Good.
Okay, let's just start, right?
Yeah.
Okay, here we go. I just found these vintage Wrangler. I think they're like high waist flares. I'm excited to try them.
Alright, so I just went rogue. We were supposed to be in pants, but I went and found this sweater. It's just a cute little spring pastel Uniqlo. Very pretty ruffly black shirt, which I feel like you could put into high-waisted pants, or you can wear like flowy over some skinny jeans. It's just options, darling.
My phone and my Instagram, I have a collections. Do you use collections?
Yes, not yet. Like as
You gotta
much,
use
but
it.
yeah.
It's like Pinterest for your Instagram. There is one called Thrift Search, and then it is all the things that I'm looking for in the thrift store, and I just collect them. So here we go. Yellow
pants.
wide leg pants, Gani, which I just found. I found this Kenneth Cole leather jacket. Actually, I haven't bought a new leather jacket in a while. My last one was thrifted. This is a belt loop section.
Yeah, I like how it
I like that. I think I might have to try it on there. Found these shorts. Okay, I just popped over to the dress section and I just found this lavender sweater dress. Very early 2000s probably, but I don't know, I think it could be really fun.
Okay, so I found this like fringe, like built-in.
Yes, mock. Like handkerchief. It's doing the styling for you.
Handkerchief. Yeah.
Yes.
You never know what you're gonna find. I feel like with this coloring.
Yes, so good.
Yes. This I kind of found for you.
What are they?
They're
oh, yes. Oh my gosh. I'm so excited. Ah! Here's that dress that I was talking about. It has a hole, but I would definitely repair the hole because this is just so good.
Oh my god, I'm jealous. When did you sneak off?
I snuck off to the dress section a second ago.
So I just kind of, sometimes when I'm looking for something long, I'm usually looking for a maxi dress or skirt. So I just look at the floor. I'm like, what is peeking out at me?
I do the same.
You see these gems, like just, they're already there for you. You don't have to go through everything.
I also do the same thing, and like right now I was in the dress section and I was actually looking for like puff sleeves. So I was just looking at all the sleeves on the dresses. If it was sleeveless, I just walked by it. If it had a sleeve, I checked it out to see if it was puff sleeve.
Maxi number. This might be a little funky. I'm gonna try and see what happens.
That looks cool though.
It's just so.
Yeah.
It's so.
Okay, I just found a really good find. Vintage, like maybe 70s drawstring, so it could be like a crop top. It has a hood on it. It's really lightweight. Also found, I'm in the shirt section, which you guys know I don't always go to the shirt section, but I found this, which I feel like could be really fun. You guys, what is happening? I'm embracing the early 2000s. What's happening to me?
We were searching right here in dresses, and I was picking out something that I felt like would really accentuate my waist and stuff, and I was like, but I really wouldn't buy that. Then I picked this up, and I'm like, this is a straight up muumuu. It's not gonna do anything for my curves necessarily, but it's like, this is me, you know, and this is what I love to wear, and I think that's what's most important. That's what we were talking about, is just embracing your style and expressing yourself no matter what.
Yes.
Woo! Can we just talk about this problem
Yes.
we're having here?
This is not a problem. This is the best thing ever.
Oh,
shoe situation. Holy cow.
I know. Oh, did you want to get some?
Yes. Shoes.
Oh, pretty much like always I find luck in the shoe department.
Yes. And people ask that actually a lot, like, do you thrift shoes? How do you clean them? I don't know. I don't worry too much
That's
about
true.
that.
I know. I'm kind of that way. I grew up at garage sales and things like that, and like we had a certain budget for school clothes, so it was like the more things I could get for $100 the better.
Yeah.
So that was just my mentality. However, like, you know, as a buyer for Crossroads, we would like just sanitize before we put it out. So just know that we always sanitize.
What do you sanitize with?
Baby wipes are those like baby wipes aren't like the most sanitary. That's mostly like just to clean
them. Yeah.
But then just like those Clorox little guys.
Okay. Good.
Not necessarily on leather, but you know, improvise where you can.
Okay, we feel like it's hit that point where we need to start trying things on, because otherwise we're gonna like spend the entire day here. Okay, this is our hoard right here, you guys. This is all our stuff. A little out of control.
So I just start with the things I'm super excited about first. So maybe like some of the designer things I couldn't afford without being here at the thrift store. And then I kind of work my way from there.
That's actually very true, because I do the same thing, because what ends up happening is while I'm thrifting, I usually throw a ton in my cart, and there's some stuff that's like meh, and by the time you've already put on those pieces that you're so in love with, it's like it weeds out the other stuff before even having to try it on. Totally. Okay, again with the Ghani obsession, they did these really lightweight kind of delicate shirts. And I like the idea of wearing this like as a crop top with high waist pants. So I think this is a yes for me.
I feel like completely hiding your waist. I love this though.
It's great.
Super just chunky, oversized, and it kind of gives the outfit a different vibe.
Yeah.
Cuts the pants in a way that I like.
Okay, so far my favorite find of the day, the hooded little vintage top that is just gonna be so fun for spring and summer.
I was gonna wear this oversized like a muumuu, but it ends up, it has some nice like cut, you know, has a nice cut, I guess you would say. And so it hit here, and then it was just sort of baggy here. So I found this awesome belt, and all you gotta do is
belt it. Sweater dress. I feel like I'll totally wear this for spring, and then probably again in the fall. taking more stuff into the dressing room.
Indeed. I
really cannot wait to see what that looks like. I tried on these shorts, which I'm kind of loving because, I don't know, they're just fun. And I would totally wear these high waists with a crop top and some sandals this summer. These are those pants, and they're just not wide leg enough to be something I want. Another amazing look created by Steely.
Yeah, this
you look like Stevie Nicks right now.
I love this, the way that it's cinched here, and you can kind of give it a little bit more, because that kind of,
it's always great. It gives you a waist.
That like has that puffiness. So.
Yep. Not the early 2000s that I want. I need a little bit of a wider leg, and they're a little too big and too low. Okay, these were the Wranglers. They're just a little too big, but dang it, they were cute. Another Steely masterpiece.
Yeah, this
so cute. I love it.
I just, you know, I like it kind of higher. So
yes.
Just pushed it back a bit, and
I feel like then you throw a leather jacket over that even.
Yeah, totally.
So cute. Over there. Oh my gosh. Oh yes, yes.
I could definitely get away with this in the Bay Area.
I love it. Okay, here's the leather jacket. It's actually pretty cool. It does have belt loops.
Ooh, dress underneath, full on.
Woo, yes.
But then, you know, why not throw a little sweater over it? I didn't actually love the straps, but I felt like the bottom was worth it.
The bottom is so cute, and it's like we talked about, like a great hemline like that. Yeah. It's so cute if you throw something over it. So this was the top of the skirt that Steely tried on that she looked so cute in. And then I love the top, so we're kind of splitting it in two.
This is my favorite thing to find when they have this like 3 button type thing.
Oh yes.
When you get, so if you button here, then you button here, and it just gives you, I don't know, it's just so feminine. It's
yes.
such a feminine way to put on, like.
I love it with that sweater. We're done trying things on. How do you feel?
Haul. I feel good. I got a lot of basics. I usually get like the weirdest stuff, but I'm feeling good about.
You got some really cute stuff.
Yeah.
Okay, I know you guys always ask for this, so I'm gonna make you really happy today. We're gonna do a flash speed round haul for you.
Right away.
I am currently seeing sequined.
Hold on.
Okay, we have to see what it is. I just got really excited. What? Oh my gosh.
This is for you. Oh. You're renewing your vows soon.
I mean, maybe I have to now. Oh my god. Wait,
where would you wear this? You'll throw some kind of party.
Oh, I feel like.
Oh, the beating.
No. Okay, well, we'll do a haul. Hold on. Okay, I'm gonna get the 1950s thing. I'm gonna wear this as a top.
Shoes, just really good for your figure, pointed ankles, yes.
Crazy clownish pants that are just really cute, high-waisted, maybe a sports bra, a jacket over it, some Vans sneakers. Yes.
Why buy a scarf when it comes with your shirt?
Right. Amazing 1970s, like crop, plaid, yes.
These were really good. These are Zara Woman. I don't think I tried them on for you, but they are so, so good.
Albuquerque, New Mexico, balloon t-shirt, yes.
The 3 wraparound skirt, basic.
Lavender, just loving lavender, and this is a cool vibe. I love the idea of tucking this in with some, of course, Levi's 501s, but also doing some like cool color mixing with it.
These are just your B. Jones inspired trouser. I had to go home with some.
Yes.
Tuck anything into it, really wear anything with this. Yes.
So cute. Steely found these amazing. They're actually H&M, don't usually do that, but I like them because they're super wide leg and kind of slouchy, and I like the idea of wearing it with sneakers. And then that top that I'll show you in a second, maybe like tied up high. Early 2000s, here I come.
Oh, so good. Okay, so this is that dress that was like worth it because of the bottom.
Yeah.
You know, this is a testament to just scan the bottom and find the gems.
Yeah. Okay, this was the top I was talking about. This is just the idea of, I think, keeping it not buttoned all the way and then tying it up high, wearing it more as a crop top and kind of really delicate, but then pairing it with maybe like army pants or something like that.
Okay, you can see when I try on, I'm keeping it. Don't care. This is that really ruffly Stevie Nicks vibe. Love it.
final thing for me is this lavender amazing sweater dress. I wore it with these white cowboy boots that I'm wearing today, and I actually really like the styling of that, but I also love the idea of maybe wearing it with like some black simple sandals and some really fabulous huge earrings.
This is, I'm just loving, you know, getting into the
that's so
pastels of
cute.
spring.
Yes.
It's just really comfortable,
So
unique
cute.
glow. And then finally,
Yes, good belt find. It's really good belt.
yeah, it's not leather, but it's the style of it. I feel like is worth it. So that's all.
That's what we're
done.
getting. There you go.
I could have got more, but you know
Yeah, I know.
how it is.
I love you, dude, and I'm saying always play dress up with you.
Yay! Steely, I feel like you were so inspirational. You came up with so many different fun outfit ideas. I loved watching you create and play dress up.
Likewise. Oh my gosh.
Yeah. Any
Yeah.
thoughts?
Well, just, you know, my main reason for being here is just to kind of encourage people, whatever your style, whatever your size, you can get out there. Like, the whole world donates to Goodwill. So
Yes.
your size is out there and your style is out there.
Yes. Totally. Oh my gosh, I love it. Okay, if you guys like this video, which, I mean, I liked it because Steely was hanging out with me, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and you ready to join me?
Yep.
Always play dress up! Bye!
Bye.